All right, come on, my friend. This is going to be the easiest smoky eye you've ever done. All right, so we already primed our face, and I put on eyeshadow primer as well, just so you're aware. Now I'm letting some concealer dry down, and I'm going to put some concealer on my eyelids and just kind of buff it out. That way they're ready to get some eyeshadow on them. I'm putting tape on for a crisp, clean look. And I'm going to try and make sure it's at the exact same angle. So we're going to be using this Wet n Wild palette. I've seen such good reviews on Amazon, so I really want to try this. All right, so we're going to take a blending brush and go in with the lightest shade here. And, oh, quite a bit of fallout there, but that's okay. We're going to build it up on our eyelid and bring it all the way up to our eyebrow. Good color payoff, though. That's nice. Now we're going to dip into this light brown right here. Not as much fallout with that one. And go along the crease to really highlight the shape of our eye and go along here as well. Now we're going to go in with this rich, beautiful brown right here and very little fallout for that one. And we're going to go on the outer edges just to really give it an extra dimension. Now we're going in with a flatter brush for more precision. We're going to go in with this beautiful cream shimmer right here. Barely any fallout on that one. That's beautiful. And we're going to go like right here, just to kind of give it a beautiful highlight shine. Now using our finger, we're going to go in with the white shimmer here. Beautiful, beautiful. And just go right here. And kind of build it deep into the eye and make sure to go on the inner corner and directly underneath as well. And now I'm going to go in with a brown liquid liner from Annabelle. Time for the best mascara on the market. All right, let's take off the tape and see what we're working with. Nice and crisp and clean. Lovely. Absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to put on some foundation. I absolutely love the Maybelline Superstay foundation. This is my go-to. All right, our foundation is on. We're going to put on a little bit of concealer. We're going to let it dry down and do our contouring while it dries. All right, and some contour. So basically places like right here. And I like to do the nose and I bring it down like that. Just like that. And then we'll go right here. Go like that. And I just blend it out nicely with a little blending brush, obviously. And now we're just going to basically softly tap in our concealer. That way it still stays nice and pigmented, I guess. Now, if you've been looking for like the perfect red blush, this is it, my friend. This is She Glam. It's the Marilyn Monroe collection. It's called Hollywood. And look at this. Look at this. Wait till you see this. Look at that red. That is the red that you're looking for. I'm literally like obsessed with this. It's so stinking cute. It's ridiculous. Now for our eyebrows, I'm using my Benefit Brow Pencil. This is my favorite thing for my eyebrows. This right here is just like the best eyebrow pencil ever. And fortunately for me, because I've brushed my eyebrows a lot with it, there's a little bit of product in it. So it's so easy to use to just get what I want. For the freckles, we're just going to kind of go. Now just the tiniest little bit of pink setting powder and just like right here. Just the tiniest little bit. So for our lips, we're going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk in the shade Intense. And we're going to be using the NARS Dragon Girl. Their red is like outstanding. I have 3 of these. All right, I'm going to go fix my hair up and change and I'll show you the finished result. And what do we think? This is basically my first attempt at what I'm going to do for birthday makeup. Kind of like my birthday outfit. So what do you guys think? I kind of love it. I think it's super cute. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.